36, 37, 38, 39. We still got the freaking power, guys.
I should have put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. You got that fire. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees and really had to talk beside.
Your boy is freaking tired as hell. But what's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video. This is gonna be a weekly vlog. Your boy is currently on daddy duty. All right, guys, my wife recently left me. She's currently in Atlanta for like 4 days, so I'm stuck here with my kids. So I'm not really gonna be able to film any e-bike content per se, but we're gonna make it work. So currently on my way to pick up my daughter from school, and then immediately after that, I'm gonna be shipping off some turtleneck stems. Now, what you saw in that last clip is not even half, guys. I still gotta go back home, package up some stems, print up some labels, and ship them off. I got a lot of you guys emailing me like, where the hell is my freaking stem? And I'm like, guys, don't even trip. I got this.
Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know how to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Well, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's because they live it to hide. Hey. 4S13 stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it. I cannot just hide. Whoa.
What's up, guys? Brand new day. It's actually Tuesday next week. I actually didn't get to film any e-bike stuff this weekend because I was with the kids, and I didn't ride any e-bikes this weekend. So we're jumping all the way to Tuesday, and today I'm gonna be riding this bike right here. This is the Hiboy EX6. Let's move it in the light a little bit so you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming with this bike today. Gonna be doing a top speed run, a hill climb, going over some of these components, stuff like that. But yeah, just giving you guys a behind the scenes look. This bike looks decent. You guys know I'm not really a fan of these style handlebars, the swept back look. But overall, it looks like a pretty cool bike. Comes with fenders, rear rack, some fat tires. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be releasing the review in a couple days, or I don't know when this vlog is gonna come out, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And then I might link up with my cousin Jam, and we'll take this for a ride so you guys can get some third-person shots of me riding this bike. So yeah, here's my current situation in my garage. Tons of e-bikes, and then I just got this pallet full of cardboard boxes. This was supposed to be the boxes to ship off the BMX bundles, but Uline ended up sending me the wrong size box. This is a 30 by 13 by 13, and I need a 30 by 13 by 3. So these boxes are way too big. So I'm still waiting for them to send me the correct size. So if you guys ordered a BMX bundle for the April pre-orders, that's the reason why you haven't received a notification. But as soon as I get the correct size boxes, I will be shipping these out. Okay, here's the bars that you guys are gonna be getting when you order the BMX bundle. So it's straight black. Let's take it to the sun real quick. So here's the bars that you're gonna be getting when you order the BMX bundle. They're straight black. They have a 9-inch rise. They're pretty wide. You're gonna notice that you're gonna get way better handling with these. So yeah, if you haven't picked up a FX BMX bundle, you might want to do that. Okay, link will be in the description.
We can go. It depends what you're trying to do. You want to do that like the mountain area that we saw last time, or you just want to still do some chill like the?
Let's do some chill. Yeah.
The park route?
Yeah,
right.
park route, right? If you guys haven't checked out my review of this bike, I literally just did it this day. The video is already out, so go ahead and check it out.
You guys already know I really don't like these handlebars, and the suspension is horrible. Other than that, the bike is decent though. It's actually faster than that Event and Cinch. The Event and Cinch only maxes out at 20. Do I look weird on this joint?
No, you actually.
Does the handlebars look cool or they look whack?
No, the handlebars cool.
They cool? I feel like I'm riding like a World War II bike. You know what I mean? Like an army bike.
Yeah, you are on that World War I. You got that city slicker.
You said city slicker?
You got that World War I city slicker. That's the one they was doing the drive-by on.
For sure. For sure.
With the little cart on the side of it.
Yes, a little sidecar. That's what I need to. For cash, dude. Have cash on the side.
Yep.
Have a little ammo box on the back. Yeah, this bike got some decent power. Like, it's a fast bike. It don't, like top speed, it doesn't top out at 28. It tops out at only 24, but acceleration is cool. Hey, slow down right here. Slow down right here. Let's do a race between these bikes real quick. All right, guys. We're at the designated spot, about to perform the top speed run. I think this is a good spot to do like a comparison test, you know what I mean? See which bike is faster. So I'm currently on the Hiboy EX6. Jam is on the Event and Cinch step through. We're gonna see which one is fast. Well, we know this one's faster. This one maxes out at 24. That one's 20. I wanna see which one is quicker off the line. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Best acceleration. You ready? Throttle only. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, they're matched up pretty good. Looks like they got, okay, Event and Cinch took off a little bit, but I'm about to beat you in the long run. Let me go ahead and tuck a little bit. And there he is. Oh man, that bike is slow as hell. You know what I thought about? These construction areas are probably like the worst place to ride just because like all the nails on the ground and shit. You know what I mean? It's like flat city right here.
Oh, I gotta stop this.
What happened?
I somehow flipped the camera and it's on me. How do you flip it?
What you mean flip it? You pointing the camera at you. That's why it's on you. Jam, you spit the whole camera around and
I was racing. I didn't even notice that it was.
This video is sponsored by Turtleneck Stem. Go ahead and pick you up a Turtleneck FX, the ultimate folding BMX stem, guys. Dude, that suspension is trash. Bottoms out every time.
I'm gonna stay on this side just because I can't maneuver quick like.
Yeah, I got you. So what's up with you guys, man? How's your day going? All right, this ain't no freaking review. This is a freaking vlog. Let's have a conversation. Your boy's doing great. Turtleneck Stem business is doing great. Life is pretty good right now, you know? Just out here enjoying some quality time with my cousin, you know what I mean?
Car coming up behind you.
All right.
You can turn right here, Jen.
Oh shit. What's really good, farming? Is your boy David, brand new. Back with another video for you. You want to do like the intro?
Yeah.
So say, what's really good, farm? It is your boy. What's really good, farm? It is your boy David, brand new. Back with another video for you. And today, say, and today. Okay, you got it? You want to practice?
What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, we got another banger video.
When you say, okay, look, what's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new. Say, back with another, say, back with another video. Back with another video for you. Say, Wow. Back with another video for you. Say yo, yo, ah. And today, there you go. Take two, guys. All right, take three.
What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, we got another banger video.
Final take.
What's really good, fam? It is your boy. One more time.
Fine, yeah, fine. David, brand new intro, final scene.
What's really good, fam? It's your boy, David. One more time. What's really good, fam? It's your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today,
That was it. That was it. Yes. I want to see what y'all can do. Tag me on social media, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Dude, that was crazy. What's really good, guys? It's a brand new day. Currently at my dad's house, about to ride Leticia for the first time. It's been over a year. She's finally assembled. A couple other things I want to do to her. She's looking a little naked. I think she needs like a sticker or something around here. I know for sure she needs some new brakes, but we're gonna test all that today. This should be super fun. I'm gonna take her on a top speed run. We're gonna see how fast she is, and we're gonna take her up some hills and just have some fun today. All right, we'll see you guys out on the road. Let's see. Oh my God, it's been so long since I rode a fast e-bike. This is gonna be scary. I don't have on any protective gear. Hopefully we tightened up everything. Looks like we don't have a front brake. Oh my God, this is not good. Here we go. Ooh. Woo. Is everything good down there? I want to make sure. All right, so we don't have brakes really, so I'm gonna have to take it easy. I only have a rear brake. My front brake doesn't work at all, but I am planning on getting some hydraulic brakes, because this bike definitely needs it. Oh yeah, she still got the power. Right through the stop sign. Currently going 24, 25. We're gonna do an official top speed run at the designated spot real quick. We're gonna see how fast this bike is. It's not gonna be GPS verified, but I'm pretty sure the speedometer is pretty accurate. What is that noise? Is that my controller inside of there? Woo! This joint is freaking quick. Already going 30. It's too easy. Oh, whoa, take it easy, Dave. Having way too much fun already. Man, Leticia, I freaking missed you. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sorry I neglected you for so long, but I'm happy you're back in my life. I don't know what I would do without you. Let's go ahead and get this top speed run underway. What's up, guys? We're at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. First one's gonna be throttle only. That's actually gonna be the only one because we don't have pedal assist. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo, here we go. Let's see how fast this bike is. Already at 20 miles per hour. It's nothing to a boss. That was like 2-3 seconds. Here we go. Already at 31, 32, 33, 34. Woo, 36, 37, 38, 39. We still got the freaking power, guys. 39 miles per hour is the top speed. 40, I saw 40. Let's go, let's go. This bike is still fast as hell, guys. 40 miles per hour, top speed. Now that wasn't GPS verified, but god dang, that felt like 40 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and hit the hill now. We're gonna do the first designated hill climb test. We're also gonna take it on the dynamic hill climb test, just so you guys can see how much better this bike is compared to all the freaking e-bikes I've ever reviewed. Let's go. What's up, guys? We're at the designated hill climb test spot, about to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Now this bike is working with over 3,000 watts of power. Normally we put 750 watt bikes, 500 watt bikes,
up this same hill. They normally do like maybe 10 miles per hour if it's a good bike. Look how fast this bike is going. 26 up this freaking hill. Come on, 24, 23, it's slowing down, who cares? We're going 22 up the freaking hill, guys. That's freaking crazy. Downhill, I don't even want to know how fast this freaking bike is. I don't have on my protective gear, so we're just gonna cruise down. Got me messed up. All right, let's head over to the dynamic hill climb test now. This one should be super easy. I got some cars behind me, but let's see if we can go fast enough to where they can't pass me up. Currently going 36 miles per hour. They're trying to keep up, but they can't. Woo, we are flying. They're probably like, what the hell is he riding? What's up, guys? We're at the dynamic hill climb test spot. About to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see how fast we can go up this hill. I'm not worried at all. Currently going 15 miles per hour, 16. We are flying up this hill. 20 miles per hour. 21. We're gonna give the bike a little rest right here, pick up speed. Oh my God, we are flying. Woo! 22, up this hill, guys. 21, it's easy. Normally, bikes probably go like 9 miles per hour up this hill. Yeah, that's 3,000 watts for you. Now, what this bike doesn't have is agility. That's because the brakes don't work too good, and it's kind of too fast. All right, but we're gonna do the agility test. Here we go. Woo. Now, if I had hydraulic brakes, I would rip through this freaking course, but we're gonna take it kind of easy. Look at that, I almost ran into the freaking bench. I have no brakes. This is horrible. Oh my God, I can't stop. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be a horrible test. All right, let's go around the tree. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because I can't brake down this right here. Look, I'm holding the brakes all the way down. It takes forever to freaking stop. Nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Look, 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 look. All right, guys, so here she is, Leticia. This used to be a Lectric XP 1.0. This was my very first bike. This is the first bike I ever bought. This is actually the only bike I've ever bought on this channel. I was contemplating throwing on the derailleur just because I really don't even pedal and I don't change gears, but I just threw it on there. I didn't feel like messing with the chain too much. I definitely need some new tires. These are pretty worn at this point. Oh yeah, that one's pretty much bald. The pegs, I don't know if I should have painted these tan. Maybe black would have been better. But the overall look, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think what I'll do is just probably add like a sticker on the front. And I definitely need some new brakes, so I'm gonna do that as well. But yeah, here's the bike, man. What are you guys thinking? That was fun. I just wanted to take it for a quick spin. Once I get everything ordered up and installed on the bike, specifically the new brakes, I'm gonna take this bike out for another ride and we're gonna really ride it, and we're gonna ride it hard, okay? I'm definitely gonna throw on some protective gear and it's gonna be super fun. I just wanna test her out real quick, see if she still has some juice, and she definitely has some. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap this one up, head back to my dad's house and call it a day. Currently going 41 miles per hour, guys. Woo! 42 miles per hour. This is crazy. Slow down, slow down. What are you doing? You're not used to these speeds, Dave. Whoa. Whoa.